A very good morning, students. Today's is our last topic in this lesson, that is diet and nutrition, that is food myths. What is food myths? Myths means it is a one kind of belief prevailing in the society or misconception prevailing in the society. Not only in India, all over the world there is food myths, some unwanted thinking or belief saying the stories from one generation to another generation. What is that? Various food myths which are prevailing not only in India but all over the world. What to eat or what not to eat. This time, even in your family also, parents may be suggesting sometimes you don't take this thing, that thing, this may increase the weight, this may, if you eat, it is a harmful effect on the body, like this. Some cases it is true, but some misconceptions are prevailing in our society that we will discuss. Number one food myth is potato makes you fat. See, potato is full of carbohydrate. So when we are doing activity, any kind of activity or routine work, we need energy, calories, and carbohydrate is needed for the body. It provides lot of calories. So that doesn't make fat. This kind of misconception should not be there. Then second one is fat free product will help you in losing weight. Now this your generation, new generation, always when they purchase online or other thing on the shop and all, some beverages and all, they see that it should be fat free. They see the label that it is fat free. So they consider to take that kind of product which is having fat free label. They are not aware that it contains lot many calories. Fat free drink, fat free food, fat free chocolate, fat free pizza, all these contains lot of calories, and that will make you fat. This fat free item, if you are taking, you are not you are seeing that it is fat free or sugar free, but you are not seeing that how much calories it is having. That is adverse effect in the body, and you are not consumption of calories are more and activity is less, you are likely to increase the weight. So it is not the matter of fat free. You must see the caloric food, how much calories you have taken. Next misconception is egg increases cholesterol level, so avoid them. No, eggs are to be taken regularly every day. If you can take, it comes under semi-vegetarian, non-vegetarian, vegetarian, and semi-vegetarian. If you are taking eggs, there is no harm in that, and it will not increase your cholesterol level. Drinking while eating makes you fat. Some misconception is there. While taking lunch, dinner, you are having a glass of water in between, you are taking sip of water. What people say that don't drink water while eating, that makes you fat. It is not true. Water contains no calories. Water is helping to dilute your food. It helps in the intestine also. It softens your stools. So we need water, and it is very good transmission of food from mouth to stomach. Water helps a lot. So you can drink water, and too much water should not be taken. Reason being, once your stomach is filled water, you will be taking less meal. That is the thing. Don't take milk immediately after eating fish. Some non-vegetarian fish people, those are taking, what is saying in the society that after taking fish, if you take milk, there will be a lot many skin problem and all, white spots will appear on your skin, on your face, on your arms. So you should not take milk, but that is not true. Even research also they have found that there is no effect of after eating fish you can take milk also, there is no harm. Then starve yourself if you want to lose weight. Starvation, भूखे रह के वजन कम करना, this is not the good thing. Though there will be weight loss, but the time you start eating again, you may be frequently you will be gaining weight. Sometimes you may gain more weight than it was actual. So starvation should not be there. भूखे नहीं रहना है. Don't bunk your meal. You should, because we need calories in the body for efficient working. And if you are not taking those calories by means of food, then there other problem in the body may arise, because we have to do work and there is no strength or any other things, calories, you are feeling dodginess or laziness. This is because of starvation. So you should take regularly food, but ensure that how much calories approximately you are taken and how much you are spending every day. This regular balance is to be maintained, so there is no chances of gaining weight, or starvation will definitely lose your weight. And last point is, exercise makes you to eat more. See, once you are doing exercise, definitely your food and all, it is digested and you will be feeling little hungry, but it doesn't mean that you will be taking more. You take that much amount of food only, which is needed even for the body. What research also found, that it is not necessary that those who are doing exercise they only eat. Many people are there, they eat more than those people. So exercise help you to daily burn your unwanted calories and maintain your body fitness. So these all misconceptions are there, that is prevailing in our society. So this is also like food intolerance, carrying weightage 3 marks in the board exam, food myths. Out of these two, one may come in the exam. Thank you. Have a healthy day.